Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. A couple days ago I made an episode about the 5 things I don't like about my RAV4. Someone made a comment saying that if you disconnect the little connector on the latch, you're gonna eliminate that feature. So let's try that. And just to make sure, I'm gonna read the codes, see if we have any codes, which I know we don't have, before I do the disconnection of that sensor. I'm gonna check for codes. There is no code. Okay, so there is no code on the RAV4. So what I'm gonna do after I disconnect that, I'm gonna drive around, but before I do that, I'm gonna check for codes again, making sure that there is nothing else going on with the RAV4. I wanna make sure that everything works and that we don't have any codes before I try this. Right here, this is the latch. I'm gonna get my son to do this because technically I'm not allowed to do any work on my car right now because of my back. For legal reasons, I can't do anything. So I'm gonna let him disconnect that and then I'm gonna try and see what's going on with the RAV4. Okay, this is the little connector. My son, he don't wanna be in the episode, but he disconnected. We have it right here. Now let's check for codes. No code. No code. Let's take it for a spin. Let me press the automatic start and stop. Let's see what it does. Okay, so the light is still showing. Nothing else on the dash. I'm gonna leave it on. So if we press the brake, if it doesn't turn off the vehicle, that means that we solved this problem. Okay, I have my RAV4 on drive and I press the brake and nothing happens. Okay, I don't see anything going on with the RAV4. It doesn't turn off the vehicle. I'm gonna go to the settings and make sure that everything is normal. Okay guys, let me show you something. If you go to menu and you press info and then you go to alerts, maintenance require pre-collision system. You press on that and it says that a malfunction in the pre-collision system has been detected. Do not rely on this system. Contact your Toyota dealer in order to have your vehicle inspected. And when they made the comment on the last episode, I figured that something it was gonna be off. Pre-collision system. And I don't recommend you to do this. Hopefully the person who made that comment is gonna check this episode and reconnect that sensor because it's for the pre-collision system. Okay, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna get my son to connect that sensor again and I'm gonna see if we can erase that. But don't do that because your pre-collision system is not gonna work. I've been driving around for a little bit and when I go to a stop and I press the brake, it says the start and stop unavailable. So it's not working. Okay, and we have another one. That's gonna be a malfunction in the VSC and track or hill start. Assist control, another problem is being detected. Hey guys, so little update, everything works now. I connected, I wait a little bit, turn it off for a few minutes, and now the automatic start and stop button is working. Okay, as you can see. Now what I'm gonna do is just go back home and see if we still have the little warnings on the screen. Okay, we still have the alerts in there. I'm gonna erase them and see if that eliminates this problem. Okay, so they're not there anymore. I think we solved the problem, but I'm gonna check into that tomorrow to see if everything works. Okay guys, and just to finish, I don't recommend you to do this because it is gonna deactivate the pre-collision system and you need that to work. So learn from my mistakes guys, don't do this, don't disconnect that because if you have no pre-collision system, that could be dangerous and it's there for a reason. I'll leave you with that guys. I hope you like this little episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.